Jenny. Go, go, go.
You're a good boy, man. You don't take a 5-year-old's money, do you?
No. Here, Daddy.
Can I take it out?
Yeah.
Mommy, what's this?
Go there.
What's this?
Go there. Jenny, there by there.
What's this though?
Yeah, you can have that.
Hey. What is this? Hey, sky
Oh, look nice.
Mommy,
Look nice.
sky crackers. Can I have this?
Yeah, sky flakes. There, honey, I'll try these. And the shorts for you. And this one. Which one you wanna try? That or these? That is Saint Tella's. That one. Here, try this.
Has that got the front?
Yeah. It's comfy.
Yeah.
Did you turn the camera?
Oh, really loose.
Yeah. I should have bought a lot of them. But I wasn't sure. Maybe you don't like it.
Why does it small? Mommy, will this fit me?
Yeah, try it na.
Okay.
There's their kay Jack.
And there's supposed to be this way.
Oh, is this Jack's or yours?
I don't know. Mommy, can you have a tray?
There's more honey. For you,
Should I
honey.
try it like this?
This, yeah.
Like this?
Ano to eh? Apat.
Mommy, is it the right way?
But I don't know the size. You have to try it.
Mommy, is it the right way?
Yeah, that's the right way now. And that is the leggings. Here.
Is it the right way?
All of it.
Yeah. Unsa man kadya, Jack? Ang dami namang binili o mga Canton, Energin, breadsticks. Ito, konti lang oy. Yan no. Kung madami lang sana akong baggage, ay magdala ako ng marami. It's off, it's facing Jack. This one, will it fit you? Yeah, there's open one there. Will it fit you
No.
or no?
No.
Be, si Jenny.
Jenny.
Ooh. There, honey, look at Jenny.
Put it in my pocket on shirt, mommy.
Is it too small?
Huh?
It's too small, no?
I like it.
I think it's too
Daddy,
small.
look. Daddy, look.
A fat one.
Daddy, look.
Ah.
Oh. That looks like pajamas. Man, what is this pink?
There's a dress as well.
Can I try it?
Yan oh, mga dress to. Bigay ng
Can I
sister
try
ko.
this one?
Yeah. You have to iron it. It's too small for you. Yeah. I think you just have to keep it. How about that one? Is it small as well? Yeah, it's too small for you, honey.
Mommy, can we unplug it? So we can do all of the things.
Ayan no, sobrang dami nito. Bigay to ng aking sister. Ang cute. Ang dami nito. Ayan oh,
Mommy,
mga...
that Batman for Jack.
Yeah. Ito kay Jack tong mga puti. Ito sa kanila to. Which one you like? White or pink?
I like pink.
There's white here. It's only one pink, JJ. This one, oh, you can select which one you like. That one or this.
Oh, I'm good.
That one. You see, there's loads, look. Wow, so cute.
I like this one.
Yeah?
I'm gonna try this one. How about this?
Yeah, that one. Try that.
I'm gonna try this one.
You know the Aunt Loloy that you call? Is from them.
Somebody got all snuggled down his lip.
Hoy! Hala. Uh-oh.
Mommy,
Uh-oh. Ooh.
I like this. Leggings.
Have you heard any word of your friend who's had a baby? Karen?
Daddy, is this?
Bulad ni auntie, oh. Parcel ni auntie.
Bye-bye, my cardigan.
Malinis na yung aking car kaya giwashing ko to kanina. Blue sky tayo today, oh. Blue sky. Paminsan-minsan lang to eh. Mag-drive ako. Si Mami
That's why I said in the
mag-drive.
morning.
Oh, where does daddy gonna sit?
Oh. You're driving? I thought Daddy was driving. I thought you were driving. Mommy and Daddy.
Honey, are you driving?
Oh.
Why?
Tesco. Every little
Mommy and Daddy.
There's no space.
matched in Aldi stores and online twice weekly.
Daddy sit there. I sit here.
States, Northern Ireland and Bush. See tesco.com/Aldi twice match.
AJ, sit properly. Print na namin. Diyan ay lumabas. Dito, address ng aking auntie. Dried fish ni auntie. Sending. Oh, you can do the
Order online or by the app.
print, personalized gift. Oh, you can do it here, honey. You don't have to buy it standard. Let's see how much. Oh, 75p.
That's cool, isn't it? Should get
This
one
one?
of us. You're gonna try one here? iPhone.
Should have albums with us, no? Print all nice photos.
Where's there something? There
There.
it is.
Let me see.
Oh.
Isn't that nice?
You left the photo.
There we go. And that's
It's so nice, honey,
Leave
no?
it there, JJ. They might come back for it. Lovely. That's a trial, wasn't it?
Ah. Naghahanap kami ng uniform ng bata. There, like red ones.
Where?
Oh,
there.
what?
They got them now. They didn't have any.
There.
There we go.
I see it.
What's their age? 4 to 5?
No, 5 to 6 now.
Oh, it's that one.
What?
5 to 6.
That
JJ, hold this one, be.
one. How are we supposed to get it?
Don't fold my photo, ha? 5 to 6?
Yeah.
Let me buy it.
There's no 5 to 6.
Oh, you're joking.
Just buy that one. What's that? I mean, first.
I think they're that size, honey.
Here you go.
No, the other ones in the outer quarter 5, isn't it?
Mommy.
Naiiyak ako, to promise. Naiiyak talaga ako today. Naiisip ko kasi yung aking papa, di ba? Chika ko sa inyo sa past na hindi muna ako nag-uusap sa kanya kasi merong nangyayari sa amin doon sa Pilipinas. Yun kasi ba, kanang hindi ko talaga siya kayang itago sa inyo, sa aking mga kadibdiban ni Inday Ilje na kanang kuan man, oy, kahit gano pang sinasabi ko na okay lang, na hindi kami mag-communicate, okay lang na ganito, ganyan. Nasasaktan talaga ako. Hindi ko kayang itago talaga yung sakit na nararamdaman sa aking self. Lalo na napapaniginipan ko siya. Tapos yun nga, nag-video call kami ng aking kapatid at si mama. Na-miss niya daw talaga ng sobra si papa today na parang hindi daw siya makatulog ng maayos. Tapos yun din, sinabi ko kay mama, ako din ma, parang may bumubulong sa aking sarili na i-message mo yung papa mo, i-message mo yung papa mo kasi kahit gano pang ignore ko sa kanya na hindi na ako mag-chat sa kanya kay ganito ganyan yung nangyayari. Kanang yun, na-open up namin ng aking kapatid na parang meron talagang bumubulong sa amin ba. Mayroon siyang bunga. Dapat i-message mo yung papa mo. Tapos yun, in-open up namin kay mama. Advice na yun si mama na dapat i-message nyo pa din yung papa ninyo. Dapat kamustahin nyo pa din. Kasi papa nyo pa din siya. Kahit balik ta rin ang mundo, papa pa din daw namin si papa niya. Sasaktan good ako. Yung mag-isip ito ako na hala, hindi na ako nag-chat si papa. Tapos yung nakikita ko yung mga litrato niya na isip ko na thankful na ako ba na wala kami sa sitwasyon niya dahil nasa hospital niya. Tapos dapat i-forget ko na lang yung nangyayari sa past nung nandun kami sa Pilipinas. Diba? Dapat kasi hindi ko na siya kakausapin dahil maraming nangyayari sa Pilipinas na hindi ko na ibabalik dito dahil yun, past na nga yun na mga misunderstanding namin ni Papa. Maraming mga nangyayari doon ba. Kahit ganong pretend ko ba sa camera na masaya ako, kahit hindi kami nag-uusap, apektuhan man ako everyday, naapektuhan ako. So, we decided, lalo na nag-advise si mama na dapat kamustahin nyo pa rin yung papa ninyo for the peace of my mind. For the peace of my mind kasi kahit ganun bitaw no, naawa man ako kay lalo na meron siyang dialysis. Every week 2 times, 4 hours or 6 hours yan siya mag-dialysis. So, mini-maintain niya ng katawan niya at hindi ba easy maging nandun tayo sa hospital. So, what I did is forget na yung past. Kahit ganun, hindi ko na paulit-ulitin na kami dati, wala ka sa aming tabi, na need namin ng tato, wala na yun. Bayan explain. Hindi siya namuhay ng marangyang buhay ba na yumaman siya, tapos nagpakasaya siya sa kanyang buhay. Most of his life is nasa kulungan siya. pag mawala bitaw si Papa, magregret ako na hala, oy, dapat kinausap ko na lang siya, hindi na nagpatuloy yung aking kanang ego, pride bitaw na hindi kita kausapin kasi ganito ganyan yung ginawa mo sa akin. Ayaw ko yan na mangyari kasi hindi natin alam yung buhay ng isang tao. Kaya yun, minessage ko si Papa, sabi ko, pa, kamusta ka na? Alam niyo ba kung ano yung sinabi niya? Happy na happy daw siya na nag-message na kami sa kanya. Finally daw, nasagot daw yung kanyang mga prayers. Happy. Sobrang happy niya. Sabi na, grabe yung happiness ko. Ang laki-laki daw ng happiness niya dahil nag-message na daw ako ulit sa kanya. Hindi na daw ako galit sa kanya. Ayaw ko kasi na may mga misunderstanding. Ayaw ko kahit kanong pilit ko na, okay lang ako. Wala akong pakialam. Yun. Deep inside, hindi mo matatago sa sarili mo. Hindi ka okay na yung mag-pretend ka sa camera, okay lang ako guys, I'm happy, pero deep inside, meron ka palang tinatagong mga problema. Mas gusto ko yung yung katotohanan bitaw, ayaw ko yung mga pretensions. Anyways, ito lang yung prutas namin. Punti lang siya kay pangit yung weather natin sa UK. Ito yung aking mga lemonsito. Yung aming strawberry, I don't know kung napakita ko na ba sa inyo yung bunga niyan. But that's our back for today video. So I'm happy na at last okay na bitaw. Hindi ko siya itatago sa inyo sa camera kay wala naman na akong pretensions. I don't want to live na magpretend ako na happy ako guys. Kaya 'di ba kahit maraming nagagalit sa akin, sinasabi nila ganito ganyan ka intelligent, away sa asawa ganito ganyan. Sinasabi ko on cam. Sinasabi ko hindi kami okay today. At least alam bitaw ng ibang tao kasi ayaw ko magpretend na I'm okay pero deep inside marami akong tinatago ng problema. Pag okay ako, makikita nyo talaga na okay ako. Pag nagpretend ako, makikita ninyo na she's trying to pretend na happy siya. But anyways, I hope you're all fine there. Sa Inday Ilgin nyo, I'm trying my best. Tapos dito naglilinis ako, naglalaga ako ngayon. And hopefully matapos ko na to. Ingat kayong lahat. Thank you. Bye-bye.